So we're going to start the recipe by roasting 1 cup of oats for about 2 minutes on a low to medium flame. And once our oats are nice and roasted, we're going to keep them aside for about 5 to 10 minutes so that they come to room temperature. I'm using the regular Quaker oats. Now this would be a good time to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Now once the oats are cool at room temperature, we're going to take a large bowl. We're going to start with all our wet ingredients. So in goes 1 egg. Now we're going to add about 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, or you can call it dahi or curd. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now I've just grated cinnamon using a small grater. And now we're going to just whisk all of this together. Give it a good mix so everything gets well incorporated. Now to this, we're going to add 1 cup of brown sugar. Now brown sugar is easily available online. It's available in general stores. So give all of this a good mix. Now we're going to add about half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now you can make this batter and keep it in your refrigerator the previous night. And in the morning, just preheat your oven and, make these lovely muffins or cupcakes. Just carry them to office or give them to your kids to school. They're so healthy. Now we're going to add in half a cup of whole wheat flour. Give it a mix. And last but not the least goes in our oats. Now I'm not grinding these oats to a powder. I'm adding them in whole. This gives it real good fiber too. Now just fold in everything together. This is one of my favorite, weekend breakfast ideas. And my kids and my hubby loves it too. It's so delicious and so nutritious. Now we're going to make it a little bit interesting. So we're going to add about a cup of choco chips. Now this is totally optional. You can leave it out. But it does make it a little tastier and, your kids and family is going to love it. I'm using dark chocolate chips, which is again healthy. And to make it a little more interesting, I'm going to add a little bit of fruit, that is KISMIS. You can add whatever fruits or nuts that you like. You can add almonds, sliced almonds. You can add walnuts. Now here I'm going to be lining a cupcake holder with some cupcake liners. And then now all we have to do is just fill these up and bake them in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes till you insert a toothpick or a knife inside it and it comes out clean. That shows you that your cupcakes are all ready. Now don't fill them up right up to the brim. Just about 3/4 of the cupcake holder. So I hope you like this recipe. I hope you will give it a try and let me know in the comments box below as to what all did you all add to this cupcake and how you all liked it, how your family liked it. I would really love to hear from you. So this is such a healthy recipe. It's got whole wheat, it's got oats, eggs. Okay, now I'm going to be baking this. And ta-da, voila, after baking it, these are the amazing cupcakes. Don't they look really amazing and delicious? And they taste really, really, really delicious. So do try this out, friends. It's really easy and you have all ingredients which are easily available. So if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a big like by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. Do subscribe to Akshatas Recipes, and it's completely free, and become a part of Akshatas Recipes family. Once you have subscribed, don't forget to click the bell, because that way you won't miss anything that's coming up on Akshatas Recipes. You will get a notification that I've put up a new video. So friends, I'll see you in my next video, and I have many, many more recipes coming up. So stay tuned to Akshatas Recipes and take care, guys. Bye.